How to trade on cryptocurrency exchange for beginners. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you the ways to trade on crypto.com exchange. First of all, you have to create your account and also make sure that your account is verified. Only then you'll be eligible to trade. So then to begin with the procedure, log in into your account, make sure that you have enough funds. Now then to begin with, you just have to go ahead and press the transfer button. And as you press the transfer button, it's going to take you to this page where you have to go ahead and select the asset that you wish to transfer or that you wish to trade. So enter in the exact amount, all of that, and select how you're going to trade or what are your sources and all of that. Moving on to the next step, you'll be taken to this field where you have to confirm the exact amount and all of that. If you're sure about it, tap the next button or click on buy, located right at the bottom. So to be more sure about it, just go ahead and press on the market order and then click on sell, located right at the bottom to confirm the transaction. So these are some of the basic steps in while doing a trade on crypto.com exchange. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.